Alright, so based on our solution for the part 2 of the Descartes rule of sign, we have come up with this table, so the number of positive, negative, and imaginary roots. Now we are going to solve which among these possibilities are the solution of this P of x. So given x raised to 5 minus 3x raised to 4 plus 3x cubed minus 9x squared minus 4x plus 12, so we're going to determine the rational roots or the imaginary roots of the given P of x. So let us list down all the possible roots using the Descartes rule of sign. So these are positive and negative 1, positive and negative 2, positive and negative 3, mga factors ni 12. Since 1 lang naman ang leading coefficient natin. So 3, positive and negative 4, and positive and negative 6, and positive and negative 12. So, since 1 lang naman, isa lang naman yung negative, so unahin na natin si negative 1. So, let us test for a negative 1. So, on the first row of the synthetic division, we are going to list down all the coefficients. So, you have here 1, negative 3, wait lang. 1, negative 3, positive 3, negative 9, negative 4, and 12. So, bring down 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Negative 3 times negative 1, it is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 1 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. Negative 9 plus negative 7 is negative 16. Negative 16 times negative 1 is 16. Negative 4 plus 16 is 12. And 12 times negative 1 is negative 12. And 12 plus negative 12 is 0. So therefore, negative 1 is a root or a solution of a given P of x. Now, natest na natin si negative 1. So, isa lang naman yung negative root natin eh. So, let us test naman sa mga positive. So, yun yung benefit ni Descartes rule of sign. Malalessen yung solution na, yung pagtetest natin ng mga possible roots. So, since nakuha mo na isang negative, hindi mo na itetest yung negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 6, negative 12. So, let's test naman sa mga positive. So, let's test for positive 1. So, you have 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. 7 plus negative 3 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Negative 16 plus 4 is negative 12. Negative 12 times 1 is negative 12. And 12 plus negative 12 is 0. Okay, so meron ka na ulit na isang positive. So now let's test for positive 2. So 1 times 2 is 2, negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, negative 1 times 2 is negative 2, 4 plus negative 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. So hindi siya ang ating root. So papalitan natin yung 2. So let's test for positive 3. Ganito lang ibang ballpen. Okay, let's test for positive 3. So bring down 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. 0 times 3, 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Negative 12 plus 12 is 0. So it can be written as x squared plus 0x, or you may go directly by the constant plus 4 is equal to 0. Then, kapag ito, finactor natin, ang x squared plus 4, actually, wala siyang factor eh. But we can solve na directly, or x squared plus 4. Equate na natin to 0. So, this will become x squared is equal to negative 4. Get the square root both sides. including the negative. Now, as you can see here, meron siyang negative inside the radical sign. So, iyan yung tinatawag na imaginary. Di ba bawal tayo magkaroon ng negative inside the radical sign? Yun yung tinatawag na imaginary roots. So, si 4, ang square root niya is 2. So, that is 2i. Or, positive and negative 2i. Naintindihan ba? So, therefore, yung mga roots natin, kung ililista natin, we have negative 1, positive 1, positive 3, then positive and negative 2i. So, 5 roots yan. Negative 1, 1, 3, positive 2, positive 2i, and negative 2i. So, isang negative, ito yon, isang negative, asan ba? Lahat kasi sila isang negative no? So, ilan yung positive? 2. So, 2 yung positive, isang negative, then 2 yung imaginary. So, all in all, total of 5 real roots. Okay?